First thing you're gonna wanna do is grab your safety rails. And what you want is you wanna put your black end right here first. Into that groove. Then bring this one in. Then you grab your bottom one. You want your black end right here to go in on the bottoms. And then just flip it up. Okay. Now you get your size for the extension. And you can just rest these up here. They should stay pretty secure. You'll need 2 bolts. Make sure to keep these top ones loose for when you put the top on. All right, and now you're ready to install your top. All right, so now all that's left to do is install the lid. This right here is a 2-man job. You could do it with 1 person, but it's not realistic. So what you want to do is you want to put this right here on top of this, so this right here will actually fit into this mortise. If it doesn't fit, you need to loosen your legs because you probably have it entirely too tight, and that's the reason why I asked to leave these top two bolts a little bit out of this leg so we can install it easily. All right. All right, and then just work your way around until it goes into the groove. You're going to have 12 of these bolts, and they will go all along the perimeter of this, but for demonstration purposes we're only going to put 4 in to show the attachments. First, run your finger along. I found it. And now that that's done, you can go back and tighten up your legs. Once you have tightened all of your bolts down and make sure everything is fastened, your SleepSafer bed is completely installed and ready to be used.